MSTR stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether MicroStrategy stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. First of all, MicroStrategy is in the interesting position where I absolutely am in love. Okay, I'm very eager to just still hopefully buy even more because my last 2 opportunities were bought alongside predictions. By the way, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with 39,000 videos, and I have just so many other MSTR receipts here in the Discord. That being said, I'm just still looking to take things further up. Let me mark this thing up as such. Good. Take this thing here. Good. So you can see that's the proof there. First proof, and this is the other proof. Wow. Okay, there you go. Gotta give it for the top now, right? And this was made 8 days back, and only after you delivered, you know, like now we're here. I'm still looking to double down, but without any corrections and no confirmation, there is no way that I'm buying. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.